Hey guys, Wayna here and welcome back to my channel. So continuing my bathroom series, I asked you guys if you wanted me to show you how I clean my little small bathroom. So here's that video. And before we jump into it, guys, if you haven't already subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload. All right, so the first thing that I always do when I clean the bathroom is I take down my shower liner, which is from Target. I throw my rugs as well as my main shower curtains sometimes. I throw it all in the washer, put it on a nice spin, use some fabric softener, just because once it's time to pull it out, everything smells good and it adds to the ambiance of the bathroom. And by the way, I do not use plastic liners because I have found that you always need to throw them out at least after 6 months, and it's such a waste of money. All right, moving on to the dreaded bathtub. I think I told you guys that I cannot stand cleaning the bathtub. So because I don't like to clean the bathroom and I wanted to find a better solution, this is what I came up with. I freaking love this new Dawn power spray. It's supposed to be used for your dishes, but I've always loved the way that Dawn clean, and like my friend said, they save those little duckies, so Dawn is okay with me. But Dawn and a magic eraser is like a match made in heaven. So what I'm doing here is I just sprayed the tub down with that power spray from Dawn, and I am using a magic eraser mop. Yes, they sell these at Target. I will try to link it in the description box below, but I use this mop specifically for my bathtub. I've never used it on any of the floors and I don't plan on using it, but you can see just from how much dirt is accumulating in the tub that this stuff works, and you're able to clean the tiles as well. I still go over it lightly with a microfiber towel, but I don't have to do as much scrubbing because the magic eraser literally just erases all of the soap scum. And I use Castile soap, and if you guys are familiar, that stuff is good on the body, but when I tell you, it leaves a lot of soap scum in the tub. So this is my little hack, and it so works for me. It's really good for somebody who has back pain too. And after I use it, I still go over the tub and the tiles with a mildew and mold spray, just because I feel like, you know, why not? So once I'm done using that mop, I wring it out a few times, and I even go like on the side of the tub to make sure that all the water is out, and then I just hang it back up. I monitor it to make sure it's not dripping on the floor, and if it's not, it'll literally hang up in the back of my bathroom door, and when it's time to use it again, there it is. And so I like to just go over everything one more time, give it a good wipe, and shine up my little fixtures. All right, next, once I have gotten all my stuff in the washer, then I turn to kind of straightening up the area. I usually have a bunch of hair products, makeup stuff all around my little small counter space, which is pretty much nothing. But I have organized everything so well, and so it's super easy to put everything back because everything has a home. And if you guys haven't got a chance to see how I decorated and organized the cabinet space underneath my sink, then make sure you check out this video right here, because I am going to give you detailed instructions on how you can do the same. I want to challenge you guys to spruce up your rental bathrooms. So make sure you check the description box below, because I'm going to have a really cool spa-like bathroom checklist that you can download for free. Now, once everything is cleared off, I usually use my regular Comet spray or some type of spray that I get from the Dollar Tree. I am not fancy, guys. I usually buy all of my cleaning products from the Dollar Tree with the exception of a few, but I feel like they get the job done. So first, I saturate all the mirrors and then I use my squeegee, and I am able to get very clean mirrors in seconds. This is a great hack, guys. I used to spend so much time wiping around in circles and well, I was never satisfied with the outcome, but with the squeegee, it's one swipe and I'm done. So once all of the window cleaner falls down onto the base of the sink, then I start to clean with my microfiber towels. And you can find these towels at Walmart. I think they sell them in the automotive section, but I freaking love them. They come in multiple colors and you can use them, reuse them, and wash them. And not only do they clean well, they dry things well. So once everything is completely clean, then I just add everything back and give it a good wipe down so that if it's dusty, that no dust is collected on it. And I usually take my toothbrush and toothpaste out of my toothbrush holder, and I like to spray and clean in the inside just because sometimes when you have a lot of water standing, you get that little film. So I definitely don't want to put something in there that I'm going to be putting in my mouth. So I give that a good clean, give the soap dispenser a good clean, and just kind of, you know, sanitize everything. Next, I like to wipe all of my surfaces down. All right, so I am going to wash all of the dirty towels, and I actually just washed both of my robes. I have two. So this is my lounging around the house robe. When I put this robe on, I haven't necessarily taken a shower, but I'm not necessarily dirty. I just don't like to sit in my house with my street clothes on sometimes, depending on where I sit. So I'll take my clothes off and put this on, and then this is my clean robe. If I get out of the shower, this is the robe that I put on. Behind the door is where I keep all of my cleaning supplies. So this goes in here like that, and then this one drops in here like that, and then this has a little hole, so I put this up there. Now notice, this is the mop that I use to clean the tub out, and this is a magic eraser mop. When I seen this, I was like, yes, because I had an idea for using the magic eraser like as a mop, but I wouldn't necessarily use it for the floors because my floors don't get that dirty. However, the tub, by the way, on the other hand, is another story. So a lot of these, let me tell you about the components of this little organization system. These two things here are the hooks are from the Dollar Tree, so $1. These binder hooks are $1 for like 6 or something from the Dollar Tree. This one looks like it's trying to come off, but I put that on the actual mop so that I could hang this up easily, and it works perfectly. And then this is from IKEA. Little squeegee. I usually keep my jump rope there, even though I haven't been jumping rope. What else? and just keep all my cleaning supplies here. So gloves are in here, screen cleaner, brushes. So yeah, this is where I keep all of that stuff, and then like a pair of shoes, beige shoes. But yeah, this is actually helped me clean my bathroom a lot faster, just having everything that I need. And then I usually keep paper towels over here, and then I usually have more cleaning supplies. It's actually time for me to re-up all my cleaning supplies. So yeah, that is that. So now I am going to moving on to the floor. I will be the first to say that I am a little bit lazy. I mean, I feel like I've been cleaning since I came out of the womb. So I take a shortcut wherever I can. Because I have natural hair, sometimes I wear weave, and I have dog, I use my vacuum cleaner. Yes, I do. And the reason I do so is because I don't have to worry about a dustpan and halfway getting the hair up. No, I use my handy dandy expensive vacuum cleaner, and I suck up all the hair on my baseboards, on the entire floor. And sometimes I go over it with a broom, but it really makes no difference to do so because this vacuum cleaner does a really, really magnificent job of getting all of the dust. And then I like to turn it upside down and clean the vents and stuff like that too. You know, some people may say it's lazy, but hey, I have more things to do than to be cleaning the bathroom. So once all of the dust and the dirt is off of the floor, then I like to clean the floor on my hands and knees, which isn't a big deal because like I said, it's a small bathroom and we don't walk in the bathroom with our shoes. So it's really never dirty, honestly. You know, you just need to sanitize it more so than anything. And if you guys didn't see the video of me installing this floor, I will insert a card above and link it in the description box below. But the fact that this flooring is stuck on top of a shower liner, it's just, you know, I want to make sure I'm not overly saturating it and causing mold problems. So we usually don't get the floor wet because the double shower curtains do a good job, and I have rugs down. So I never saturate the floor completely because it's not a real ceramic floor. It's, you know, some tiles sitting on top of a ceramic. So just by cleaning it, you know, spot cleaning it, it's really held up pretty well. Nothing is peeling and it's clean. Smells clean, looks clean. And I know I have a lot of ands, guys, but the other thing I like about getting on your hands and knees with these tiles is sometimes you can't tell what's dirt because the veins in the marble kind of camouflage it. But when you get down on your hands and knees, you know what's the flooring and what's dirt. I didn't show you guys how I clean my toilet because I feel like we all know how to clean a toilet. But what I will say is that I clean it more frequently than I clean any other part of the bathroom. Sometimes I may clean it every 2 or 3 days. And I also have products to help the toilet not have any buildup. So a few pointers that I have learned about keeping a bathroom clean and tidy is that the more often you clean, the less you have to clean. And if you think about it, that's what the hotels do. They clean those bathrooms every day, so they're never filthy. You know, they just need to spruce them up and make them look nice and polished for the next guest. So what I've found is if you spray your shower down, meaning the tiles in the shower, and you use the squeegee that I used on the mirrors, if you use those on the tiles after every shower and just squeegee the water down, you will not have any mold buildup or hard soap scum buildup on your shower tiles. I have tried this for about a month and a half, and literally I haven't had to clean or deep clean. I haven't seen any black spots, any pink spots, nothing like that. Everything looks really, really good. So that is one tip. The next tip is if you use the bathroom, it's always a good habit to put the toilet seat down before you flush, because I have had a lot of people comment about, you know, not wanting to put towels in the bathroom or not wanting to put your makeup in the bathroom. But it's always a good idea to put the toilet seat down then flush, because that's true about micro particles and stuff being injected into the air. But if you put the toilet seat down, you really don't run a risk of doing that. So those are just my extra tips. All right, guys, I hope you learned something. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also if you are interested in making your bathroom more spa-like, just like I did, don't forget to check out the link in the description so that you can get access to my free download on how to do so. All right, guys, as always, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I will see you guys on the next upload. Bye, guys.